This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a fast, controllable car because speed and maneuverability shorten searches. Once spawned at point near the highway ramp, drive toward the overpass and scan under it for subtle debris patterns. Make sure to pick up nearby cash and health pickups so you can experiment. You will crash on purpose. After that, turn off assist options. Manual input reveals hidden physics triggers that unlock the first clue to the mystery badge. Now you focus on the middle sequence. Approach the displaced guardrail under the overpass at 8100 km/h and angle your vehicle to clip the edge. You want a glancing hit. Once done, aim for the blue crate or lamp post visible beyond the guardrail because those objects act as the secondary trigger. Make sure to time the hits within 10 seconds to stack the combo counter. Repeated attempts refine impact location until the game spawns the subtle sparkle signaling progress. Finish by stopping in the small debris field after the sparkle and immediately open the achievements menu. You should see the mystery badge unlock. If it does not appear, reload the last checkpoint, reduce graphics mods, and repeat the exact angled crash. Consistency matters. Also make sure your game is updated. If the badge still won't register, clear the local cache or restart the session because persistent state bugs are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.